ladies and gents, welcome to another vloggy vlog as we are cruising in Brooklyn on a Tuesday, and it's a little bit drizzly. This is the first, I'm not gonna say crappy day of the year, of the season, but go ahead, bro, dickhead. That guy was a dickhead. It was my turn. So anyway, yeah, it's 52, feels like 44. So I'm actually wearing my puffy jacket, my warm puffy Saint jacket, waterproof and all. I'm not exactly sure what this guy is doing. I think he's probably letting somebody off. Yeah, it's not even chilly at all. I'm actually, proper gear is so important. It's amazing. Like, because yesterday it was like this northeastern blah 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 and all this nasty shit, and guess what? I completely was wearing proper gear and therefore did not get cold or wet at all. So on this video I'm going to talk about cold weather gear, because a few people have asked that I mention what it is that I wear now that it's getting cold, now that we got a little bit of a weather battling us on every single ride. And I'll tell you, I'll ease you into it so that way you'll know what it is that I wear. So first of all, it's crucial. I think the most important part about being warm when it's cold is gloves. Crucial to have good gloves, and I've been wearing these Highway 21 heated gloves for, I don't know, 5 years, maybe more. And the thing about them is they're not cheap, right? $240 or whatever, but they work really well. They're Gore-Tex Pro, so they're thin insulated and shit. They're warm, they're waterproof, and they're heated. So right now I have them on low out of 3 settings. And yeah, I could crank them up and they last for like 4 hours, which is great. Another good thing that you need immediately, the basics, you know, is thermals. I use Uniqlo Ultra Heat. It's like this Japanese brand, and I layer my thermals. I layer my thermals depending on the temperature, and it's fantastic. So sometimes you wear 3 thermals and also get one of those puffy jackets, the compressible ones, you know. Layers is what you need. Obviously waterproofing and all that. Same with because waterproof gear, if I buy waterproof gear all the time, because waterproof also means windproof, which is what you need on cold days. Waterproof, windproof, Gore-Tex Pro, whatever you can get. Also, days like these, the pants, because right now I'm wearing the Saint pants, and they're single layer, so they actually don't apply. But I have my favorite brand is Resurgence Gear. They make these AAA rated denim, you know, pants and whatnot, and they're layered. So in the summer they're kind of hot, and you kind of like complain about them in the summer, and then come winter, and they start to sing. They start to be a beautiful piece of kit. So that, with a pair of thermals, you can go down to 30 degrees, no problem. Then, jackets. I always prefer a nice baggy jacket, so that way I can actually layer, you know? Layer nicely. That way it's nothing too bulky, nothing too crazy. And I could walk you guys, and I will walk you guys through my actual gear. You know, I'm gonna lay it out and show you exactly what I'm wearing in real life. But as far as like basics goes, whatever I just told you is exactly what you need. That's all you really need. Leather is always good. I have a nice Belstuff leather jacket, super heavy, but the problem with that is that it's too nice. Like for the elements, for the wetness, for the nastiness, it's way too nice. I'm not trying to wear my beautiful leather Belstuff in this kind of weather. Meanwhile, the Saint jacket, waterproof, windproof, puffy, I think it's AA rated, so it's not, the ratings are not ideal, you know, it could be safer, but what are you gonna do? Can't win them all. Cannot win them all. I also installed these hand guards on my bike, as you can tell. These are kind of fun little hand guards, and they do help a lot with the wind. You'd think they don't, but they do. You know, they actually are making a big difference on this cold, chilly day. Because look at it, it's drizzly, it's a little wet, and I am not cold at all. I mean, I'm lucky. My commute is only 4 miles, 5 miles, whatever, so it's actually not that bad. Fucking go, bro. What are you doing? Freaking dick. What is the point of keeping fucking distance like that, you banana? So, here we are. Thank you. We're gonna get around. Holy shit. We're not doing any of that kind of game. There we go. So that's essentially it. And also another cool piece of advice you could do, you could just layer your rain gear. Sometimes if you're caught in the elements and it's cold, you literally wear whatever you got, and then you put on some rain gear on top, and it becomes waterproof and windproof and warmproof, and it's a marvelous thing. I love it. Big thing. Big fan. And yeah, like I have a couple of pairs of gloves. I have some gloves that are not heated, but I prefer the heated ones. I would rather overkill, you know, than underdress. It's better to be a little too warm, too bulky, than to be cold. And pretty soon, hopefully, I'm gonna have some more gear. I also have this full Gore-Tex Pro suit. Wave to the dog. Yeah, Gore-Tex Pro suit by Apparel. This is super slippery, these little turns here. Look at this shit. But yeah, like, but I'm not gonna wear a full Gore-Tex Pro suit, which I probably could. Well, the beauty of these big suits is that you can literally wear your regular clothes underneath them, right? And freaking, you know. Come on, taxi, what are you doing, dickhead? What is this fucking pace? Not doing that shit. These people are selfish in their little cars. In the car, you're warm. I mean, I'm warm now, but I'm also like not trying to freaking coast and like romantically look for a spot. These freaking dudes, these taxis don't give a shit, right? So here we go. This is it. This is my spot. Beautiful. We're gonna stop right here. Is anybody behind me? No. Or do I want to go back there? Which spot is better? I think we'll go to over here. Yeah, this is good. We'll go like that. Turn off the bike. So yeah, like, I mean, obviously I didn't tell you like any magical solutions to your problem, you know what I mean? There's no magical solutions. You basically just have to get some rain gear, get some thermals, and layer up. And obviously heated. Like right now, my gloves are heated and I don't even need them, you know what I mean? I'm actually a little toasty, so I shouldn't have even turned them on. I guess I did it for demonstration. Anywho, here we are. Here we be. And thank you for watching. Now I'm gonna go to the office, sit there for 8 hours, and yeah, do some books. Okay, bye everyone.